So Fede, Afrikaner have decided to build a 3 billion rand university known as Yakademia. So Yakademia is an Afrikaans university, not a white university or an Afrikaner university. So what's the difference? The difference is being white or being Afrikaner is a race. So if it was for white people or just for Afrikaner people, it would be exclusive to only white people. But Afrikaans is a language. Meaning if you want to study using Afrikaans or ufuna ukuba a lawyer and ufuna ukufunda Afrikaans or ufuna ukuba a teacher and ufuna ukufunda Afrikaans or wanna be anything else, but the language of teaching and learning is Afrikaans. Meaning if you are black, you can attend the university. If you are colored, you can attend the university. If you are white, you can attend the university. So even if you are Asian, you can attend the university. Only if uzofunda nge-Afrikaans. And I think it's very impressive considering these people were able to raise 3 billion rands without any help from the government. They were able to identify here's a problem, let's organize ourselves and let's raise funds to fix this problem in which we have identified without any help from the government, not even a shilling or a cent from the government. That thing is very, very, very impressive, especially for leading. And it shows the importance or the significance of farm organizations such as about SACR, organizations created by the people and the organizations meant to serve the people. And that then gives us an opportunity to self-introspect amongst ama-languages wethu yiphi language e-progressed enough despite high education, even basic education, yiphi language e-progressed enough singafunda ngayo i-maths or i-physics or i-life science. Do you know what yini i-method oblangata in your mother tongue? Yini i-method oblangata in isiZulu or isiXhosa or isiTswana or isiNdebele? Yini i-cerebrum or i-cerebellum or i-hypothalamus? Yini zonke izinto lezi in your own mother tongue, in my mother tongue? Yini about Pythagoras in your mother tongue, and I think this is basic education. So our language is advanced enough you can be a lawyer ngokufunda nje your mother tongue kuphela. Can you be a lawyer nje ufunda isiZulu kuphela from grade 1 until ufike ku-university ufunda isiZulu kuphela? Or can you be a doctor ufunda isiXhosa kuphela uzofika e-university ungakazi nje ufunde i-English? Our language is advanced enough they can do that despite building an institution, despite building a university. Our language is advanced enough they can teach us from grade 1 ufunde isiZulu, ufunde yini i-puberty, for example, ngesiZulu, yini adolescence ngesiZulu or isiXhosa or isiTswana. Yini yonke le thing in our own mother tongues. Are we doing enough to preserve our mother tongues? Are we doing enough nje as abantu to organize ourselves and do something progressive for us thina as abantu despite relying on the government?